guys, Passer123 here, and I'm going to be showing you the developer's preview to Windows 8 on an old Dell Latitude D420. Now this is the booting screen, which you're going to see really quickly because it boots up really fast, as Windows 8 is a system that is going to be made mainly for tablets. So okay, there's your lock screen. If you don't have a password, you won't get this, only when you lock your PC. As you can see in the corner, it shows you the battery logo and the Wi-Fi signal status, also the time and date. So to get out of this, you can hit the spacebar, or if you're on a touchscreen, you slide it up like this from the bottom. And here you just type your password in as you normally would. And then it takes you to the new Metro UI system, which looks very nice, but it is a little bit of a trouble to get around, especially when you're used to using a standard desktop. Well, it comes with a few normal games, so you get Copper, which is basically Tinker from the Vista days. You get your Sudoku, your Inkpad, which was included from Vista onwards, I think. You get Bitbox, which is a music making app, Tube Writer, Paint Play, a Labyrinth, which I'll show you soon, Zero Gravity, you get a piano, a Connect 5, a tile puzzle, and Treehouse Stampede. You also get chess, which is called Checkmate. I'll quickly show you the Labyrinth game. Just remember, if there is any lag in this, it is only because it's on an old GMA 950. It's not even a powerful card or anything. This is one level, somewhere in the middle. As you can see at the very beginning of it, there is that bit of lag, but that's understandable as this is a laptop that is nearing, I think, the 5-year-old mark. Yeah, so that's the idea of that game. I'll turn the sound off, or we'll just get into the control panel. Okay, you have a new Internet Explorer browser which takes up the whole screen, and it's made to look modern with the new Metro UI. So as it loads, if we don't get a crash. No, okay, so it's taking me to the Intel site because I was downloading the driver. I'll go to Google. Here's what it looks like. Very basic setup. Normally all this stuff would disappear, so you can bring the tabs up by right clicking and make everything disappear by right clicking again, and then you can do whatever you normally would. You can also take it to normal desktop view, which I'll show you that later on. And we'll just, that's the game. Okay, you also have a weather app, which is very similar to that of what you would find on something like an iPhone or Android. You've got your weather, tells you your forecast for the days, you have to enter your city, but you also on this you have an animated background which shows you what it's like. So if it was sunny, you'll have the video of the sun and the beach, and as it is almost 1 o'clock in the morning for me here, it's showing me the moon, which is understandable. You also have the stocks, which if you're interested in the stock market, it's good. I'm not that interested, so it's not my concern too much. You also have the Microsoft Store, which isn't functioning yet because they're not going to throw it in on a developer's preview until they actually have the system fully functioning properly. So as you can see, it's coming soon. That will be funny to see how that comes out because now everything's going towards the app stores. And if you do like your classical view on Windows, you can go straight to the desktop, which takes you back to that traditional look, your standard layout, except now you don't have a start menu, you have a new menu, which basically will take you, just by tapping on it, it'll take you straight back here. Or if you drag your mouse all the way to the very corner, you have a search option, you have share, so you can share screenshots by the looks of it at the moment. Devices, you can connect it to projectors or whatever, but you have to set that all up. And then you have your settings, which pops out here. So even to shut down, you have to click power and then turn off. So it's not like start, shut down, not that easy anymore. You still get your normal My Computer, and the layout is very similar, except now you have the ribbon interface, which was introduced in Office 2007. So you get everything here, as you would see. And you still get Internet Explorer down here. I cannot find Windows Media Player. I might have to search the system files for it, but I'm pretty sure it should be hiding in the system somewhere. I'll go back here. You even have the new control panel, which is made to fit the Metro UI, which gives you a few handy features, just the basic stuff that you need. And if you need the more advanced one, you can always go and select the advanced one, which takes you to the original one. So you've got your lock screen, you can change the pictures with the small selection here, or you can choose your own. Your user tile, you can browse for one, or you can use the webcam. Your users, so you can change your password as usual. You can create a picture password, which I found is pretty interesting. I'll just type in my password and I'll show you basically what it is, because I'm not going to set it up. As you can see, you can select a photo that you have on your computer, and if you want to, you can draw like a pattern. So as you can see, as the computer's demonstrating, you can click, or you can drag circles or shapes and all that around a certain section. So then that little code will be your password, which will be handy for touchscreen computers because you can just use your finger. On a normal PC, it's a bit more complicated because you have the mouse. Wireless settings are all in here. Well, not really, but they're there. You have notifications as well, which is sort of following along the lines of what you would find in iOS, Android, other mobile devices, how you've got your little pop-ups. Privacy settings, your general stuff, your time zone, even options for the touch keyboard. Then you have your search options, so if you're searching the computer for something, your sharing, sending, your ease of access, the devices which you set up, so Bluetooth, projectors, whatever. Home group, which was introduced in Windows 7. Windows Update. So okay, it says you're set to automatically install updates, and if I had one, I'd just click install and it would install for me. And more settings, which takes you back to your classical look, which almost everyone should know how to use by now. So besides all that, that is basically what Windows 8 is at the moment. Can't wait to see what happens in the future. As you can see, you still get your standard stuff. You can get your rating. I haven't rated this yet. I've rated my Mac, but not this. But yeah, I'll just turn this off. So corner, settings, power, shut down, and you'll see it shuts down very quickly as well. There you are, that computer's off. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly show you the webcam app, which I have on my Mac. So I'll just bring them over here. Now my light is annoying me. Okay, that should do for now. Let's get out of this. Okay, so let's fix up this a bit. Okay, so the webcam app. So as you can see, some of my installed applications have been put here. So I've got Office, I've got Word, Microsoft Security Essentials and stuff like that. They're all there. Now, for the webcam, I'll just show you quickly under user tile. You have the webcam option, which will bring up this, and everything pops up in this window. I think my brightness is up to the force by now. So yeah, I just took a photo. But yeah, that's basically the new modern webcam app, as they call it. Take me back here. And even they have the new paint, which is called Paint Play. Have all your color options, your different fades, so like this, the size of your brush, so I can have something like that, and your different types. I'm just going to do something in red because it's going to stand out. So I'll just draw something. So there you go, I'm saying hi to you. But yeah, from what I can say, from running it on my Mac, it runs very well, and it's even just for a preview, it's very stable. On the Dell, I have had a few problems. It has crashed once or twice and everything, but besides that, I'm liking this system. It's looking fairly good, and I cannot wait to see what Microsoft comes up with in the slightly later builds, because they do have another year of development to go before it's officially released to the public. So anyway, that is my preview of Windows 8, the developer preview, 32-bit on the Dell. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Please rate, subscribe, leave comments. I'm happy to answer any questions you have, and I will see you with another video shortly. Goodbye.